Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 1080p Wi-Fi FHD full frontal dash cam for cars, trucks. It has night vision, 24-hour parking mode, and it has a G-Sensor app. It supports up to 128 gigabyte of an SD card. Alright, so right here we have our FHD 1080p dash cam. It supports up to a 1920 by 1080p at 30 frames per second. It has a built-in Wi-Fi and app connect, loop recording, voice recording, accident lock, and parking monitor. So right here, let's go ahead and dive into the box and see everything that we get. It is discreet and has a hidden design. So it supports up to a 1080p resolution. It comes with a Wi-Fi app. It does do loop recording. It has a gravity sensor. It's got parking mode. The FHD 1080p dash cam record videos up to a resolution of 1080p, capturing more details, clarity. It's got an f1.8 aperture and 6 glass length. It's got 150 wide angle. So right here you get the user manual. So this tells you everything about this device, how to insert the SD card, how to put it in your vehicle, what all the numbers say on the dash itself. So you got some other notices in here. So let's go ahead and dive into the box. They say this little plastic thing here, put it on top of your windshield so when you remove it, it doesn't leave a film from the sticker. Alright, and over here you have the little clips to put on your vehicle, and you also do get the little tool. So these are little sticker clips. So this tool right here will help pull back the lining of your vehicle so you can get the power cord without seeing in your vehicle. The only thing about this, it doesn't come with a memory card, but it does support up to 128 gigabyte of micro SD card. So the power cord actually gets turned on using your lighter. So your lighter port will plug in and then it'll power up your dash cam. So there's your lighter port. And then you get an extra sticker for mounting the dash cam. Just a reminder that it is recommended using a Class 10 U3 speed micro SD card for this dash cam. The mount can be rotated 360 degrees to get the best view of the road. It is also designed to be removed easily from the body. When the memory card is inserted in the camera for the first time, it requires it to be formatted on the app. The Q3 dash cam has a 24-hour parking mode, a mini USB hardwire kit, which is not included. It is required for the function. So here is the button right here. This is the speaker. You have the screen itself, and then you have the camera. It can simultaneously record with super high resolutions of 1080p at 30 frames per second, full HD lens, an advanced GC CMOS and 6G lens, which delivers a clear videos and images. You can replay the key moment even when at high speed. It has a 150 degree wide angle lens. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and turn it on in my car. So we'll be right back once we have that already installed into my car. So we now have formatted and already placed the SD card in here. So now what you're going to do is see a bit of film of day driving as well as night driving. So you can see the clarity of this dash cam. The great thing about this, it does have a G-Sensor, which can help automatically detect a sudden shake, collision, and lock the footage to prevent any video from being overwritten in the loop recording. So the loop recording is a loop function to make the dash cam overwrite the oldest videos. When the SD card is full, the dash cam can achieve continuous recording, you can set the file length from 1, 2 to 3 minutes by the settings. You have a custom voice announcement. The voice broadcast functions help you know the current status of the dash camera. The example and most important one, letting you know if the impact reaches its G sensor level. The camera will also lock it and save the emergency locked files. So you can see by the day and the night cam, it is super clear. It looks really nice. It can be tucked away behind your rear mirror, which is what I have right here. You can see everything in the night as well as the day. So if you guys are looking for a nice dash cam, I highly recommend checking this one out. It is a super nice dash cam. It is super clear. It has all these functions as all these other dash cams have. I would definitely say check this one out.